In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach and send a folder in Gmail. This step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to share your files all within a few minutes. So, let's dive right in and get started. First and foremost, you'll need to open your File Explorer. This is where all the magic begins. Your File Explorer is the go-to place for accessing all your files and folders on your computer. Once you have it open, browse through your folders and find the one you want to send. It can be anything from a work project to photos from your recent vacation. Now, after locating the folder you want to send, you'll need to select it. Simply right-click on the folder, which will bring up a context menu with several options. Don't let all those choices overwhelm you. We're focusing on one thing here, converting that folder into a format that Gmail allows for easy sharing. In that menu, you want to navigate to the Send To option. Hover over it and another submenu will appear. This is where we move forward. Look for and click on Compressed Zipped Folder. This action will create a compressed version of your folder, essentially packaging all the contents into a single file with a zip extension, making it convenient for sending via email. With your zipped file ready to go, it's time to switch gears and open Gmail. Log into your Gmail account, and once you're in, click on the Compose button. It's usually found on the left-hand side of your screen and gets you to the email drafting window swiftly. This is where you'll set up everything from the recipient information to your message. In your Compose window, direct your attention to the bottom of the email draft. You'll see an icon resembling a paperclip, that's the Attach Files icon. Click on it and a new window will pop up, prompting you to select a file from your computer. Remember that zipped file we created earlier? This is where it comes in handy. Navigate through the pop-up window to find and select it, completing the attachment process. With your zipped folder attached, double check that everything is set. Recipients filled in, subject line done, and of course a friendly email message written out. Finally, give everything a once-over, ensuring the attachment is there, and when you're ready, hit the Send button. Your folder, all neatly compressed into one file, is now on its way to its destination. Isn't it satisfying to know you can package and share information so efficiently? And that's it, you've successfully attached and sent a folder in Gmail. These few simple steps transform what could be a cumbersome task into a streamlined process.